Here we go. Be at 7 foot 3 inches. Well, 7 foot. I'm gonna call it 7'4". 7 foot 4 inches now. That's easy. That's easy 8 foot up from the butt of this old beech. Still showing 7 foot 3 inches. A pretty good size old beech. It ain't the big one, but it's a good one. The thing about that rascal is it's the same size all the way up to here just about. It's about the same damn size. All the way up to the top. There's an old beech. It ain't the oldest. That's pretty big. Let me go around here. Let me go around here. I mean, y'all look, that's a lot of meat right there, y'all. Yeah. That's a lot of meat. That's 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 times 3. Anyway, that's one of them. We're gonna see about getting another one. That's the old beech that almost got the hooch. It was a close call, it was. Thank y'all for watching from the wood. Otaka.